Every time you install a new app and it asks for permission, can we access your camera? Can we use your microphone? Can we view your files? And you tap allow, even once, you're unlocking a permanent door that most people never close again. That's the trap. Once an app has certain permissions, it can record your conversations, activate your camera at random, upload personal files, track where you go, monitor your browsing habits, read your clipboard, yup, even passwords you copy. There's a flaw that exists in every phone, including yours, and you're about to find out what it is. It doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Android. It doesn't matter how careful you think you are. This vulnerability is already active in your device. And the worst part? Most people have no idea it even exists. But attackers do. They know how to use it. And in some cases, they already have. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the vulnerability is, how it works, and how to lock it down before it's used against you. We all love to believe our phones are safe, right? Biometrics, Face ID, passwords, encrypted messages. And that's great, except none of that matters if you leave the back door wide open. Let me explain. Every time you install a new app and it asks for permission, can we access your camera? Can we use your microphone? Can we view your files? And you tap allow, even once, you're unlocking a permanent door that most people never close again. That's the trap. Apps often ask for way more access than they need, and once they have it, they rarely give it back. Even legit-looking apps can exploit this, quietly running in the background, tracking, recording, even listening, without you ever knowing. You might be thinking, okay, so apps ask for permissions. What's the big deal? Here's the thing. Once permission is granted, your phone doesn't double-check. It doesn't ask you again. It just assumes everything's fine, forever. This is a design flaw, a feature that becomes a vulnerability because of how humans behave. We tap allow without thinking. And if that app turns malicious, later say, after a sneaky update, your phone has already given it the keys. No alerts, no warnings, just access and silence. Let's break it down. Once an app has certain permissions, it can record your conversations, activate your camera at random, upload personal files, track where you go, monitor your browsing habits, read your clipboard, yup, even passwords you copy. And no, this isn't hacker movie stuff. It's happening right now, just hidden under clever branding and slick design. If you've ever thought, why am I getting ads for something I only talked about? This could be why. Yes, iPhones are more restrictive. Yes, they sandbox apps more than Android does. But if you give an app permission to access your mic or camera on iOS, it can still abuse it. You've just handed it the front door key. iOS isn't immune. It's just less obvious and harder to detect. But the flaw still exists because it's a user-driven trust model. And trust, once given, is rarely reviewed. Here's how to tell if an app might be exploiting your phone. Camera light flickers on even when you're not using it. Phone heats up for no reason. Battery drains unusually fast. You hear background noise on calls. Data usage spikes. You start seeing creepy, hyper-targeted ads. None of these mean you're definitely hacked. But together, they tell a story. And it's one you shouldn't ignore. Let's talk about what you can do starting today to shut this down. 1. Permission audit. Go into your phone's app permissions. Revoke anything that doesn't make sense. Why does your flashlight need your mic? 2. Limit background access. Disable background data and battery usage for apps you don't trust 100%. Delete what you don't use. If it's not serving you, it's not worth the risk. Clean house. 4. Use built-in privacy features. Android 12 Plus lets you block mic camera access globally. iPhone has app tracking transparency. Use it. 5. Stay updated. Security patches aren't just nice. They close doors hackers exploit. So if this issue is so dangerous, why haven't Apple or Google redesigned the system? Short answer, convenience. A permission system that double-checks everything slows people down. And let's be honest, most users wouldn't tolerate it. But you now know better, so it's on you to protect your device from apps that seem friendly but might not be. So yeah, there's a flaw in every phone, even yours. It lives in the permissions you've already granted and stays active until you take action. But now, you're not helpless, you're informed, and that's how it starts, with awareness. Need to strengthen your defenses against cyber threats? We're here to help. Request a demo or consultation of our expert AI agents and cybersecurity applications so we can show you how Tileris works in real time. If this opened your eyes to how deep this issue runs, hit that like button. And for more honest, no-fluff breakdowns like this, smash the subscribe button. We got more coming. Stay safe, stay sharp. We're Tileris, showing the best and smartest way to stay private and protected because your security should be in your hands, not theirs. See you in the next one.